मंत्रस्थ विराजमान भक्ति वेदांत गोविंद महाराज भक्ति वेदांत गोविंद महाराज एक गोविंद
Maya Danat Pranam to all the present devotees on the stage, even Pujapada Siddhanti Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Srila and all the Sannyasi Vrind, all the Vaishnavas. At the lotus feet of everyone, I do my Danat Pranam. If by just doing the Danvat Pranam, the 10 minutes only passed, and the 5 minutes, what I will speak in the 5 minutes. So I do my Pranam together to all. आप ऐसे पकड़ लोगे? गुरुजी को दिखाना है, ऊपर कर लो थोड़ा सा, गुरुदेव का फेस है. So today we present here, we are celebrating the Ankuta Mahotsav. Especially today we are remembering the Param Gurudeva, like the 2010, the last year of the Gurudeva. So we are celebrating the Anukut, and he was doing a Sikh pastime. The Gurudev was staying in his room, and here there is a TV is outside, the television. So Gurudeva, like all the devotees are taking the darshan, the Srila Gurudev. So all like prepared the foodstuffs for the Giriraj Govardhan. We also go to the lap of the Giriraj Govardhan and do the Giriraj Puja. So this is actually a very remembering pastime, and this all Leela coming in my mind just today, by today. So the last speaker told about the Anakut, An means chawal, like the mountain of the rice. It doesn't mean only the rice mountain, as the saying the Kaurav. So it means the Kaurav and Pandav all are coming into the Kaurav. Vishnu Chakravarti saying that by just saying the Kaurav means we will consider all of them. So similarly, by just telling the Anakut, so it doesn't mean like we will only offer the foodstuffs to the Giriraj Govardhan. Like everything comes inside, like dal, chawal, like all the foodstuffs comes into this. So today we will offer every foodstuffs to the Krishna. As you heard about the Anakut, today morning the Krishna wake up early morning and he's so in the kitchen. Ma Yashoda is doing the preparation and cooking. Krishna went to the mother Yashoda. Then the Maya Yashoda said, "Oh Krishna, you stay away today and go out and play with your friends." Mother Yashoda every day used to take the Krishna in the lap and used to give the do the love and affection. But today she's saying like, you go away from him. So whatever I am preparing here, the laddu, kachori, pakoda, and all the stuffs like the kheer, jalebi, the sweet rice, and Indian food stuffs like. So the by saying this, the Krishnas even like become greedy to eat. So the Krishna is inquiring like, why you are just preparing all of this today. So today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. Now today is my birthday or a Baldev's Prabhu's birthday. So he, in a very sad way, he sat in the lap of the Nanda Baba.
मैया ने मुझे रसीगढ़ से क्यों निकाला?
So like he's asking like why the Maya Yashoda said to me to go out. So inquiring from the Nanda Baba. Then the Nanda Maharaj was telling,
आज हम लोग जो है
today is
इंद्र पूजा करेंगे।
we will worship to the
हम
Indra.
लोग की परंपरा के
So
अनुसार
according to our parampara,
हम इंद्र पूजा करेंगे।
we will do the Indra Puja.
कृष्ण के इंद्र
Then
पूजा के लिए समस्त ब्रजवासी लोग
all the
अपने
Brajvasis,
घर में ये समस्त द्रव्य सामग्री
like
जो
they
है,
are preparing all the foodstuffs in their houses.
कृष्ण ने पूछा पापा इंद्र कौन है?
The Krishna inquired who is the Indra. Even the Swam himself, the Krishna,
भगवान में एक विशेष गुण होता है,
the God have a special quality,
सर्वज्ञता,
Sarvagata and Mugdata.
सब कुछ जानते हुए
He knows each and everything, but he don't know anything.
सर्वज्ञता।
That is called as Sarvagata and Mugdata.
इसलिए कृष्ण जब पूछने लगे इंद्र कौन है,
The Krishna is inquiring who is the Indra.
महाराज ने कहा
Nanda Maharaj said, Indra is a king of the heaven.
इंद्र पूजा हम इसे करें। बोले इंद्र पूजा राजा की पूजा करने से क्या होता है? राजा
What will happen if you worship the king? Then the king will be pleased by it.
और राजा खुश हो जाए तो हमें सब कुछ प्राप्ति हो।
If the king will be pleased, then we will get everything by it. So Nanda Maharaj said,
कृष्ण ने कहा इंद्र पूजा करने से क्या फल क्या है?
what is the purpose and what will you get by the worshipping of Indra? So to worship the king of the heaven, what you will get by it? So Nand Maharaj was telling, by just doing the worship, so he will pleased and he will give the rain to us. So by the rain we will get the grass, and the cow used to eat the grass,
फिर गाय की
and the cow then gives the milk.
बोलेगी का क्या है?
So like what is the how we are maintaining our life? Just we are the Gop Jati. We used to do the like sell the cow milk products and all. So by just pleasing of the Indra, so he will give the rain, and by this the grass will come and the cow will eat the grass.
इसलिए हम लोग पूजा करते
So
हैं। हम लोग
that's why we are doing the worship of Indra.
इस कथा को सुन के कृष्ण कहने लगे
By this the Krishna is telling, please tell
बारिश कहाँ पर अधिक होती है?
where the rain will happen more. It is happen in ocean more. Who used to stay near the ocean,
और पर्वत के
or and on the top of the mountain the rain is more. So where who is doing the Indra Puja? Nobody is doing there.
बात ऐसे ही की
This is right or not? Tell.
नंद महाराज
Then the Nanda Maharaj said, oh yeah, you are telling right.
और देखो नंद इंद्र कृष्ण ने कहा पिताजी वास्तव रूप
Krishna said,
इंद्र की पूजा करने पर बारिश नहीं होती।
actually just by worshipping the Indra the rain not happen. In the Krishna said, the God himself saying, Maya Dakshina Pratiti,
हेतु अनन्य परुद्य जगदनी परिवर्तित। माया दक्षिण मेरा अध्यक्ष से ही
like by
सारी जो है पूजा अपने
by me, like all the demigods are doing their duties. The sun, even like he arise on from the east and sunset on from the west side. All the demigods, like by my instructions, they are working and they are doing their duty.
ये बात सत्य है।
This is actually truth.
कृष्ण यही कार्य
Here the Krishna is saying,
इंद्र की पूजा करने वाले इंद्र को सरोवर के पानी दे ऐसी की बात नहीं।
there is a like a no sense like if you worship the Indra and the Indra will give the rain.
उसकी पूजा की चाहिए।
Like all the demigods are taking the instructions from whom you should worship that person only.
हम लोग देखो हम के ब्रजवासी
The Nanda Baba said, we are the Brajvasis. The Krishna said, like we are the Brajvasis. Everything is like the Giriraj Govardhan is a very big that time. Guru used to say. So by the Pulas Rishi's cursed, he is like a little he is it's becoming small,
कितने माइल धारी 9 किलोमीटर कितने मील
like 9 miles is high.
से मथुरा तक जाकर भी
Like even the Mathura, you will see the shadow of the Raj Govardhan. That Govardhan is that much big. So 21 miles the Govardhan is there. Where the cloud strikes, we are the Brajvasis. The Giriraj Govardhan is our life. And yesterday we went to the Haridev. We also heard there also. Giriraj is giving everything to us. But like the clouds are striking on the top of the Giriraj Govardhan, and that's why the rain is coming. So you should worship. We should worship the Giriraj Govardhan. The second, the Krishna is showing. So our Siddhanti Maharaj is speaking very much Siddhant yesterday. Brajvasis are the eternal associates of the God, and they are exist in a Shuddha Sattva. There is one is a Parikar Tattva and second is a Jeev Tattva. Jeev is a manifest by the Tatastha Shakti. It is known as a Vibhinansh also. Tatastha Shakti, Jeev Shakti, Vibhinansh Shakti, like the same but having a different words. And the Parikara who is an eternal and manifested by the Swarup Shakti. There are two things, Tattva Drishti and a Ras Drishti. Like everything is coming from the Srimati Radharani. These all are the philosophy. Aladani Shakti Sarupa Srimati Radharani. Srimati Radharani is actually in the philosophy. It is said that she is the manifested deity of the Madhurya Ras. That's why the shlok is said that Janma Dasya. Like she is the manifested deity of the Shringar Ras. Everything is like manifested by the Srimati Radharani and coming from Srimati Radharani. Srila Gurudev used to say, like from the where the Krishna is manifest, from the Srimati Radharani the Krishna is manifested. So this is a very confidential philosophy. If we will think like that, Krishna, you want to say that where the Brajvasis, they are my eternal associates, and where is the Indra? He is like a Jeev Tattva, and he is just thinking like that he is a king, and the Brajvasis are their servant, and I am became king, and the Brajvasis became servant of him and their praja. So this is actually offense. Our the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Vipin Bihari took the Diksha. Like the Prabhupada cannot tolerate where the Bhaktivinoda Thakur and where is the Vipin, that Guru, Bihari, like. So Prabhupada cannot tolerate, like he is becoming the Guru of the Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So Prabhupada cannot tolerate this. Because who is the topmost, they think I am so lower than anyone. So similarly, the Krishna want to say that Indra, you are the Jeev Tattva. Like who give you that? Who make you the king of the heaven? I only like make you the king of the heaven. So in the Brahma Samhita, it is described and clearly said, Ananda Chinmaras. Jeev Goswami Pad is describing. It is all the manifested by the Sarup Shakti. Where the Indra, he is a Jeev Tattva, Shudra, very lower, and is under the like Saturaj Gun, and he is even influenced by the lust. He even like associate with the Gautam Rishi wives. and by Gautam Rishi's curse,
और ऐसे कामी पुरुष
like that kind of the lusty person, he is just taking the worship from the Brajvasis.
इसलिए इसको कृष्ण इसके द्वारा खंडन करना चाहते
So
हैं
Krishna want to stop the Indra worship by this, and want to worship the Giriraj, establish the to worship of Giriraj Govardhan. And this Giriraj Govardhan is he manifested from the heart of the Radharani. It is described in the Puran.
मनसा प्रकृति की जानी स्फूर्ति राधिका राधिक से मन से ही प्रकट
By the heart of the Radharani, by the mind of the Radharani, the Giriraj Govardhan has manifested. He actually descended from the Golok Vrindavan Dham. Krishna is just showing the Tattva Siddhanta. So whatever the foodstuffs is there, we will not offer to the Indra, we will offer it to the Giriraj Govardhan. After that, the Nanda Maharaj is thinking, what happened by it? Does Krishna is a small, but actually he is telling the truth. So all the all the Brajvasis are assembled together, like all the big person in the Braj, like all the older peoples came and did the meeting. So whatever the Krishna is saying, we should accept that. So in a way, all the accept whatever the Krishna is saying. So whatever they had prepared for the Indra Puja, they offered it to they bring all of the lap of the Govardhan. So now the time is over now. I am just telling. Katha is not even started, but the Siddhant is like that only. Katha we all know, but the Siddhant we should know. All the Brajvasis, Nanda Maharaj announced that all the Brajvasis, like whatever the foodstuffs you has prepared, you just bring all of the foodstuffs at the lap of the Govardhan. So in a one form, the Krishna climb on the mountain on the Giriraj Govardhan, and all they did the worship according to rules and regulations. Like first the Go Puja, then the Giriraj Puja. The Go Puja, and it is a very dear to the Krishna. So for the service of God, so you should worship the cow. Govardhan.